Why is product quality so critical in tub and shower caulking when longevity and performance determine whether you avoid repeat work and water damage? High-quality silicone caulk provides stronger adhesion to porcelain, tile, and fiberglass, which prevents water from tracking behind surfaces and causing rot. Choose a pure silicone labeled for sanitary use, as it resists mold and mildew far longer than cheaper hybrid or latex alternatives. Prepare the joint by removing all old caulk, cleaning with a mildew cleaner, rinsing thoroughly, and drying completely because any residue or moisture undermines adhesion. Cut the nozzle to create a bead diameter roughly equal to the gap width and use a steady, continuous motion to apply an even bead. Then tool it with a wetted fingertip or a rounded tool within 5 to 10 minutes to create full contact between surfaces. Allow a full cure time of at least 24 hours before exposing the joint to water. Tack-free time is not the same as full cure, and premature wetting leads to soft spots and early failure. Store unopened tubes in a cool, dry place, and use a cap or plug for partially used cartridges to prevent skinning and contamination. The three most common mistakes are poor surface preparation, using low-quality caulk, and cutting the nozzle incorrectly. If surfaces are not stripped of old material and cleaned, the new sealant will not bond, so always remove residue and test for cleanliness before applying. Cheap caulks often shrink or delaminate within months, so select a pure silicone rated for sanitary and wet areas to minimize mold and repeat sealing. Cutting the nozzle too large or too small creates gaps or excess that cures improperly, so match bead size to joint width and practice steady pressure to maintain a uniform bead. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals near them and providing a discussion community where real users talk about products and methods like caulking. We use the site to help contractors connect with homeowners looking for work and to let everyone share experiences and tips in our active forums.